My first meal in the Ninja Foodi. I'm gonna make an herb roasted chicken. I have a 5-pound chicken and all the ingredients that are listed in the book here. It's gonna be interesting to pressure cook a chicken and have it crispy at the end. Hopefully, huh? Okay, let's get started. I have my chicken, which is cleaned, and the legs are tied together, the drumsticks there. I'm going to plug it in. It says Foodi, isn't that nice? Open the crisper lid that stays there. We're going to use this crisping basket to put the chicken in, but not right now. First I'm going to make a sauce with these ingredients here. Honey, lemon, juice of 2 lemons, 1/4 cup of hot water. Start with a 1/4 cup of honey. This is a 1/4 cup here. Doc. Is this new? Yeah, it's new. That's why. See, I can do it. Who's this Doc? 1/4 cup of honey. Ooh. Then a 1/4 cup of hot water in this same cup, which will help get the honey out. Hopefully. Hot water. 1/4 cup. Get it all out of there. All right, now the juice of 2 lemons. Real lemons, see? Squeeze them on there. Smells good. Oh, yeah. All right, that's good. Nice. 2 tablespoons of salt. Who moved my spoon? Takes a while, huh? Sea salt. Salty. Woo! Stir that up a little bit. Ooh, that's thick with the honey in there. Smells good. All right, let's remove this crisping basket right now because we're going to add this liquid to the pot. And the chicken will be held up above this liquid, but the liquid's going to infuse with all the pressure and the steam. It's going to infuse the flavor all through there. That's our liquid. Get it all out of there, all that honey. Now we're going to use some thyme I got here. Got nothing but thyme. Tablespoon. You like thyme? Tablespoon of minced garlic, or whatever kind of garlic you have. I like minced because it's handy and convenient. You? Yeah, perfect. Stir that around a little bit with your finger. And some pepper. Oh, that smells so good in there. Yeah. Don't forget your pepper. As much pepper as you want. Pepper it up. Stir that around. All right, chicken in the basket. That side up. Isn't that convenient? That's a 5-pounder. Let's see these handles. How nice that's going to be to remove it when the time comes. Get your pressure lid. Remember, this has 2 lids. It's amazing. There's an arrow you can line up here. You can see it. See that? Nice and easy. Make sure you're in pressure mode back here. Seal. This one says seal. I'm going to press this power button. Press pressure. High pressure. I'm going to go 22 minutes. And then press start. Oh yeah. See, it shows pressure like a steam cloud there. And then when we use the crisper top, it'll show that one lit up. And then we'll push that button. Okay, let the pressure build up in 22 minutes. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be like I normally make them, but then we're going to crisp it up. Isn't that going to be amazing? All right, be back in a couple minutes. 22 or so. We're down to seconds left here. I like this because it tells you the minutes and seconds. It smells delicious in here. See what kind of sound we're going to get. Is it going to speak to me, or is it just going to beep? Oh, nice. See that? All right, now it went into keep warm mode, and it's counting again up. And I'm going to let the pressure release naturally for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to release it manually. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Coming up on 5 minutes for the natural release. I'm going to release the rest of the pressure manually now. Stand back. Smells good. Hear it? Wait for the pin to drop in the back. There you go. Did you hear it? My first whole chicken in the Ninja Foodi. It's exciting, isn't it? Okay. Should tie them legs a little tighter, but that's all right. I'm gonna put salt and pepper. Listen to it. It smells so good. Smell the flavors all infused in there. You could either brush it with olive oil or spray it with olive oil spray. I'm going to spray it because it's easier for me right now. Okay. Salt and pepper. As much as you want. Oh, it's tender. Now we got to crisp it. You can add anything else on here you want now. All right, now we're going to put the crisping lid down. Remember, it has a fan and a heating element in there. Lower that. Solid. Turn the power back on. Press air crisp for 400 degrees. Start for 8 minutes. And we can peek in there, make sure it's crispy enough, or go longer if we want. Start. See, it says right here, you can lift and peek in if you want. Now listen, let's see how loud it is, or how quiet it is. Not bad so far. Uh-oh. Okay, I like how the seconds count down. Gonna crisp that chicken up. That's why it's called tender crisp. Be back in a few minutes. See how it lights up red on that one for the crisp function. Time's ticking down. Should we take a peek in there? Or should we wait? Let's wait. Smells crispy. Cool down. look at it. I do. Oh, a little bit. But you know me, I like it a little more crunchier. I go a few more minutes, right? Not bad though. Let me go a few more minutes. Yeah, it's crispy. It is. More. Press air crisp. 400. Go for 5 minutes. Yeah. Here we go. Smells so good. How brown is it going to be? Remember, it goes to cool, like most air fryers do. Then play a little music. You ready? Oh, the unveiling. So you could have made it browner if you wanted. I'm going to take that basket out and put it on a plate. Thanks, Ninja Foodi. Unplug it. Easy removal basket. Put that there. Now I'd like to get that out onto another plate maybe. Or I could just pick at it from there, but it'd be nice to get it out, wouldn't it? Let's get it out. How tender is it going to be? Is it going to fall apart? Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, yes. Now remember, my legs came apart a little bit, but that's all right. I like legs. And I could have made it browner. But look at it. Here. What's it going to be like? I like a leg. Juicy. First, crispy. Pressure cook, air fried, tender crisp, Ninja Foodi, herb roasted chicken. Is it hot? It's hot. Woo. Woo. Oh, that's good. Boy, that's so good. I taste all those flavors in there. All the lemon, the garlic, it's really infused. I could have made it browner too. What do you think? Oh, hey, it's too early for that. I like to get one of the legs. Listen to the crisp on there. Ooh, even the string is crispy. Here's the skin. Oh. Oh, I like it. It's still hot. But delicious. So try that in your Ninja Foodi. You can't try that in your regular pressure cooker. Again, I could have crisped it up more, you know. But I like it. I had that mashed potatoes and corn, or peas, green beans, whatever you like. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We're gonna have a lot of fun with the Ninja Foodi. Might make some beef jerky next week. I sent for that dehydrator rack. Flavor, so good. Please subscribe, stop back soon. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. Have a nice day.